previous class, we learned about introduction about quadratic equations, applications of quadratic equations, next general form of quadratic equation, roots of the quadratic equation, discriminant, nature of the roots. So today I am going to explain how to find sum and product of roots of an quadratic equation. Okay children, so first of all, what is the general form of quadratic equation? An equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0, where a not equal 0, b, c are real numbers, is called a quadratic equation. We already learned an equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a not equal 0, b and c are real numbers, is called a quadratic equation. So how to find roots of the quadratic equation, children? By using Sridharacharya method, we already have the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. We already derived how the formula came. Okay children, x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That means what? That is x value is there minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and x equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. These two are called roots of the quadratic equation. So by using these two roots, we can derive sum and product of the roots of quadratic equation. Please remember these two roots, children. Okay children, so let us consider alpha, one of the root alpha equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here I consider one root equal to alpha, second root equal to beta. So alpha, beta are the Greek letters. Here we represent the two roots. Now first I will derive sum of the roots. Okay children. Sum of the roots means what? According to given formula, alpha plus beta is equal to how much? So alpha means what, children, here? Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now what is the LCM here, children? 2a. Let me write down 2a. So numerator has to write minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac plus into minus b plus into minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Okay children, so now minus b, how much? Minus 2b. See, plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So that value will be 0. Simplified. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Similarly, square root of b square minus 4ac minus square root of b square minus 4ac, 0. So minus b minus 2b by 2a. Now 2 cancel children. What is the final value? Minus b by a. That is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. This is the formula to find sum of the roots of a quadratic equation. Understand children? Okay. By using same alpha beta value, we will find product of the roots. Okay children? See children, all of you look at the board and understand. Please note it down on your running notebook. Now product alpha into beta. Product means we know into. So alpha means what children? Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into, that means you can keep in the brackets, product. Beta means what? Minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay children? Now numerator multiply. Minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Now we have one identity formula. Remember, a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. In the place of a, what is there? Minus b. For your understanding, I will put in the bracket. Minus b plus what is there? Square root of b square minus 4ac into, again, a minus b. A means what children? Minus b. B plus what is there? Square root of b square minus 4ac. According to formula what? A square minus b square. So a plus what is there? A minus b. So minus b whole square minus b plus total what is the square root value is there? Square root of b square minus 4ac whole square by 2a into 2a, how much children? 4a square. Understand? 2 2s are 4, a into a square. Now minus b whole square. Minus into minus what children? Plus. That is equal to b square minus. See, square root of b square minus 4a whole square will how much? The value itself. B square minus 4ac, because square root symbol, 2 value will be cancelled by 4a square. Now simplify children. B square minus of minus b square what? 0. Minus into minus plus 4ac by 4a square. Now simplify. Numerator 4 divided by denominator 4. Cancel. Here a is there, here a square is there. Cancel. How many a's are left? 1a. This is equal to c by a. That is alpha into beta equal to c by a. So this is the formula to find product of the roots of a quadratic equation. Okay children, understand? Next, how to use these formulas to solve the problems. So with one example I will solve it. Example. Find sum and product of roots of the equation x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now solution. So first compare this value with quadratic equation. So compare ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 with x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Then what happened? A value 1, b value 4, c value 4. Now r plus beta, how much children? Minus b by a. Minus 4 by 1, how much? Minus 4. Next, product alpha into beta. C by A. C by A. C value what? 4. A value what? 1. 4 by 1, 4. So, like this, we can find sum of the roots of a quadratic equation, product of the roots of the quadratic equation. Are understanding how to solve sum and product of the quadratic equations by using the formula sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots formula c by a. So, to solve the equation, first comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and write it down a value, b value, c value, substitute in the formula. Like that you can solve the given problems. Okay children. So today we learn how to find sum of the roots of quadratic equation and product of the roots of the quadratic equation. Sum of the roots formula what children? Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots formula what? C by a. Understand children? Okay. Thank you.